Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the media offline issue in Davinci Resolve for GoPro video footage. So I shot these video clips, but when I try to edit them in Davinci Resolve, I get this error, media offline. So the reason for this error is the codec. The codec is not available. HEVC codec is not available in Windows by default. You have to purchase it. So I'm going to show you a way to do it to achieve this without pain. So the solution is this software called Handbrake. So you can download this software for absolutely free, no cost at all from internet. You can search Handbrake and download it, and this will allow you to convert your GoPro video into whatever any format you want. But in our case, we will open this video. We have already opened this video. You can select the file or whole video set in one go, and then you select the file you want to convert, and then you select the output codec. So in this case, I'm going to select this codec for YouTube, and you can select the output format as well, and then you can add to the queue, add the video to the queue, and then start the queue. This will take some time, but it will convert this into the correct codec. So it will rename this with this one. So it's moving quite fast, and we will wait until it is finished. Okay, encoding has finished. It took like a couple of minutes. Now let's try to import that video. Sorry, import media. Where did you save it? So it's location. Okay, there's the video. As you can see, now you got video.
The first time you're stopping here.
Yeah, you got video and audio both good quality as you would expect. So that's how you solve the media offline issue with GoPro footage and Davinci Resolve. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks.